with her messed up braid. Bye-bye. Give me some chips. Sister, can I have some chips? Woo! Up, up, up.
I need an outfit for picture day because you need
Past 30, you earn your right to a pair of these. Somebody tell me who this man think he is.
Right here, Flash.
He's trying to do a little baby drip. Shoe cam, let me see the shoes. Be careful. Sister. So, I need you guys' help with her hair. I know how to braid her hair, but she says baby hair, so I don't want to use wax to do it because it'll probably fall out. But, stop. I braid it, it comes apart. I put it in buns. She rips them out. Go get daddy. Go, go, go. Just go, just go, just go. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk.
Glitter hair coda.
Hear you. That's your wallet? Open it up. Let me see. I guess I'll start buying their stuff this week. We got Trina. You gotta talk louder, baby. You got $100 in your wallet? Is it
with 50 cents.
with 50 cents?
You got $100.60.
That's right. I forgot to do my shoe cam. I forgot to do my outfit of the day. I got these really, really cute boots. They're from Hunter. I picked them up from Nordstrom online. American Eagle jeans, and then my Gucci Marmont bag.
Hi.
Oh, the Sunny Dunny is here. Polo top with the matching polo sweats. Jordans to match daddies. And then this sweater came from Rose Gal. They sent me a bunch of stuff. I chose sweaters because it's a sweater weather. It's actually really cold. So go with daddy. So I'm gonna film a haul of all the stuff that I got from them tonight. Also American Eagle, they have some really good jeans, and so I bought a bunch and I'm gonna do a haul with them as well.
Hi everyone. We had just
Be careful, stay
we had more, but look, like everything like that, like for 20 minutes today, like for 20 minutes.
Show them what you got.
All of these.
Okay, his underwear are starting to get a little bit dingy and a little bit tight, so he got 2 pairs. Show them which kind. Who's that? Is that Minions?
I got Minions.
Despicable Me?
Yeah.
And then who's that?
This is Ninja Turtle.
No, Lego Ninjas. Ninja Legos. So he needed a pair of black jeans. We're gonna do... Excuse me, baby. So we're gonna do a family photo shoot. I decided to just do all black for us, which would be super simple. So I just got him a pair of these $10 black jeans. I got him a pair last week for this specific reason, and I accidentally got a 2 to 3. He's a 3 to 4. So I'm just gonna try and find a simple plain black shirt. And Daddy got him some black Timberland boots. Also, I'm gonna do them some dress up pictures. So I got him like a button down that comes with a tie, and then some kind of like Dockers slack style pants. I think that'd be cute. I just want to do them some fun, you know, little photo shoots for the holidays. So those are 2 options, and I kind of kept it super simple. So I'm gonna see if I can find just a plain black shirt and then a plain black crew neck, and I'll come back and show you guys what we pick. Okay, so now we're in Journeys. I got both of them these, or he took the one that I had, but I got him the low top in these, so I'm gonna get myself a pair to match them. And I think that's it for today. And then this is my OOTD. Again, this shirt came from Rose Gal. Super cute. I also wanted to get them some black and white Adidas. Since I just got them white shoes, I'll wait. I have a pair already, but I'll wait to get them a pair.
Oh, you being careful?
Is that your way of smiling? Give me some water, sister. Sister, can I have some water? She's just woke up, so she's not talking. Oh, no. Ooh, sister. So the kids and I just had quesadillas really quickly. I didn't know if we were going to have time to sit down or not, so I got something to go. But we were able to, so I should have got something else. But it'll do and hold us over for dinner, as you guys can see. My child. So there's this place, I'm pretty sure it's in Mo Smalls, the Brazil place. Their chicken looks like it's so good. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but the chicken is like on the little rotisserie thing going round and round. So we always think like, oh, it's gonna be so fire, right? Well, Derek finally tried it for the first time, and the verdict is it's pretty much Ralph's chicken. They give you like these little chickens, or he chose the chicken. It's not nasty, it's good, but we always get chicken from Ralph's, and sometimes we'll get the potatoes from Ralph's, or we'll get the what do you call it, the macaroni and cheese, you know, just as a quick little dinner sometimes, or even a snack. Well, this tastes exactly like that. And guess how much you paid for it? How much you paid, Daddy? $30. $30 ain't no seconds, ain't no leftovers. We couldn't even share for 30. So I finally got my coffee. We have a cart full of stuff, but while I was waiting for my coffee, Derek was like, he wanted to run to Neiman's really quickly, and he has the kids, so I'm gonna go ahead and run into Fashion Nova. I have a ton of stuff from here already, but I'm gonna do a husband rates my Fashion Nova outfits video this week, so I'm gonna just pick up a couple of tops to go with the pieces I already have. So I'll show you guys what I get. So for myself, I picked up the fresh white Chuck Taylors. I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's a California thing, but you always have to have a fresh pair of white in this colorway and a fresh pair of black and white like hers in your closet. So I had to pick up a pair because I haven't had some in a while. Hubby's not a fan, but the kids and I love them. Really? My kicking is sister. Ouch! With her messed up braid. Bye-bye. Give me some chips. Sister, can I have some chips? Woo! Up, up, up. What's going on? Peekaboo. Come sit down with brother. Come sit down with D. Ooh. 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 Ouch. Ouch. Go get the snacks.
No.
Go get it.
No.
Go get it.
Mom.
Give it to me. Okay, so we are home. We're gonna film some cooking videos today. We're gonna do macaroni and cheese. We're gonna do candied yams, and we're gonna do a cheesecake recipe for you guys. So there will be 3 new recipes on this channel this week. Let me know what 2 or 3 recipes we should do next week, because I definitely want to start doing more recipes. Also, Daddy went to the store this morning while we were asleep, so he bought some healthier alternative snacks for the kids. If you guys want to see like a meal or a grocery shopping haul, I've seen somebody say that they wanted a grocery shopping haul, so I'm definitely gonna do that this week, and I'm gonna do it more so towards the kids. This one here is a picky eater, and this one here eats literally any and everything. If I gave her chopped liver, she probably would eat it. No shade to my baby, but she eats. So I'm gonna go to Ralph's and Whole Foods and just get their stuff for the week tomorrow, and maybe I can do a quick video on how I get them to eat, or him to eat, because he literally will eat nothing. If it's nothing that he wants, he'll skip a meal, you know. So I do different things to help him eat. Go. This used to be the snack drawer, and as you guys can see, it's empty. Last week it just got a little bit out of hand. Like, it was like 2 or 3 days in a row where she literally brought like 8 snacks to me to open, and it kind of was like, all right, this is getting ridiculous. So now we're gonna more so just trying to do like applesauce, which they love, unsweetened preferably, and then the sweetened is daddy's, even though they taste the same. These are the cheddar bunnies. I like this Annie's brand. They have we have their mac and cheese and stuff like that, and they have like fruit snacks and things just because it's organic. So yeah, apples, they love apples. I just rinse it off. I cut it directly in the middle in half and give them each a half of it. Fruit cups, Diamond loves fruit cups. Sometimes I'll give him one like with his dinner, and sometimes I'll give it to him as a snack. And baked chips, to my understanding, these are still not good, like just in general. Frito-Lay is not a good brand, so I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and get some things for them that are a little bit better, but at least we're trying, you know, to make a start somewhere. They definitely love this kind of rice cakes in both. They prefer these more so, but we got these as well. And then I've also heard that Ritz is not good, so I'm going to do some good research and see what that's all about. Also, I'm going to talk about Teamy coming up this week, so let me know if you guys are interested in some teas. Also, this one here, this is the Kroger brand. Whenever Diamond is a little bit backed up, normally we can give him a little bit of this straight and it'll get it all together. You want rice cakes? Say please. Give it to mommy. And then here we got some Target jammies. Everybody has a pair. I picked these up last night when I went to Target. We all got a pair. So I was going to do it today. And then I got the, what do you call these things? Santa hats from Hobby Lobby. So we're going to do some cute little pictures by the tree probably tomorrow, just to make a YouTube banner and possibly a Vlogmas intro. I got him a new chapstick. I keep chapstick at his reach in our drawer in the bathroom, because he's like mommy and his lips get chapped. Like right now my lips, they don't hurt, but they feel uncomfortable because they're so chapped. Dakota luckily does not have that problem, which neither does Derek. But me and Diamond, our lips get chapped. Like we can put chapstick on 2 times in the morning and the afternoon, and by the nighttime it's still chapped. So, I also got a request on today, Vlogmas Day 1, on how to deal with having 2 kids and just the craziness. Trust me, it gets really crazy. The key to it is ignore them. Don't neglect your kids, but like that crying and stuff, don't let it get to you, sis. But I will do a video kind of talk about that, because I know it does get rough. Even with daddy here, we be looking like we didn't make do it. But you just have to remember that like you're the parent and you're the boss, and so even if they're crazy, and I know for me as a mom, like Derek can handle them crying and stuff and tune it out a little bit. I can't, like it gets to me. But I've just learned that even though it gets to me, like, you know, what are you gonna do? Like they're gonna have, each of them will have a meltdown at least once a day. So I'm already prepared to know that, don't know what it's gonna be about, but it's gonna be happy. My necklace. Okay, so she's gonna go with daddy, and me and Dee are gonna have some time together for gingerbread. Say dad.
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 Gumballs.
Inside places. Okay, these are the instructions right here. You think you can handle it? You're gonna get that open. You gotta put all the sauce around and build the house.
Okay.
After we build the house, then we can
Candy.
But we're not eating any candy until the house is done.
Wow.
So it comes with all these candies.
Flower
You gonna help me?
Gumballs.
I feel like they should have gave you a better nozzle.
I like the cereal.
Ooh, dripping. It's like chunky. This is not a good icing.
Quit it!
It's like chunky. It's not
like chunky.
coming out smooth, and then you gotta get it into grooves.
It looks like
it's coming out in chunks.
white. It looks like white.
It's white. I think that's about
White.
right.
Well,
I think that's about right. So.
It comes with a lot of candy inside because I didn't know it comes with a lot of candy.
Oh, you didn't know that?
Yeah, I just know.
You just know?
With a lot of candy.
Alright, spread them across. Maybe like that. Ooh, that's the bomb, D.
Let's put some gumbo.
Okay. Okay, baby Picasso.
And let's put one more.
You got this. Go ahead.
Look.
Keep going all the way across.
Yeah.
Do the top first. Let's do the top first. Papa, do the top first. I didn't put no glue down there. See, you gotta wait till I do the top first. D, what are you doing? Put it up top first. I gotta put some glue on the sides. Okay, we can fit one more right here. Maybe another Tootsie Roll?
This?
Yeah.
Let's try.
Right here, maybe? At the very end? Down here. Perfect. Let's push them all down so they'll stick.
White. Like both of the
Ooh.